Hi, welcome to JustDoug. Today is all about washing feathers. So I'm going to get poopy feathers from a big container that cost more than my first car, which was a Chevy Vega, if you can believe that. And then we're going to take those feathers, soak them, show you how dirty they are, and then we're actually going to wash them in wash machines, dry them in dryers, and voila! How much fun is that? So stay tuned, here we go, JustDoug. I just got a tub of feathers from my feather supplier, which is the bird aviaries that I bought. And it's a pretty good sized tub of feathers. Ooh, they stink. They are been in mothballs and they're all covered in bird crap, so now I get to sort and wash them. This is probably about, I don't know, 2 feet by 15 inches. So it's a pretty good amount of feathers. Believe it or not, these dirty feathers cost more than my first car did. Can you believe that? So now comes the fun part, the first step. Let's start sorting and then we're going to wash them and then go from there. Just want to show you lots of bird poop on the feathers. So all have to be soaked before they can all be washed. So this is 1 hour into sorting all of these feathers and they're extremely dirty, so hopefully here in the next couple hours I can do my first load in the wash machine after I soak them. Okay, here's one of the keys to being a successful artist is having a good dad who helps you out. Look, he's in here sorting feathers with his mask on there. We're still sorting and sorting and still sorting the pieces. Soaking the feathers here to get all the bird poop off of them in the tub before they go into the wash machine. It's the pre-soak cycle. Here we got the feathers all rinsed. We're going to load them in the washer right now and put them all in there. One of the greatest tricks of being a great artist is having a great dad who's willing to help so much. So now we've got all of these in here. We're going to do it on the delicate cycle. Of course, 4 out of 5 feathers prefer Tide, so we're going to use the Tide, Ultra Tide I guess it is, to start. Here we go. They're done. Clean feathers. Now they go in the dryer. And we'll start them. Hope you learned something today about feather washing. How fun was that? You know, it's just one of the many steps that I do to create the extraordinary pieces of art that I create. So I'd like to thank you for staying tuned and watching my channel today. And just remember to follow your dreams, believe in you, and just have fun. And thank you so much for watching JustDoug.